Yeah, my name is Terry Spada, and my connection to Orchid, my daughter works in human resources here at the company, and that's how I got the chance to come in here and do this interview. So prior to my surgeries, my life was okay. It slowly started to diminish. I had arthritis really bad, and then I got gout in there, which those two just don't mix. It put me out of work. And then the big call came to the surgeon to go in and get my first knee replaced, and that did really well. And 3 months later, I had my second one done, and it's a blessing. From where I was before and where I am now and where I'm heading, I'm still kind of in the healing mode, but it gets better every day. Just being able to get up in the morning for me now versus where I was before is a blessing. My surgery improved my life by being able to walk and do activities like playing with the grandkids out in the yard, getting on a ladder again, doing some minor things around the house, and getting in the boats, being able to go fishing. The healing process comes every single day. You don't have this surgery done and have it go worse, worse, worse. It gets better from 2 hours after surgery when they made me walk. So from then on, my life keeps getting better. I enjoyed the tour. Rebecca took me through and explained to me everything and what they do and what stages of the parts and when they get shipped out. I like seeing all the guys at work. That's fun. Although I'm retired now, so I can enjoy it. When people like myself that have these surgeries done, as we get out of the hospital, we thank the doctors and the staff and everything, but nothing ever comes right back down to the guys in the shop. I'd like to say to all the guys in the shop, I respect every one of you because I've been there, and the guys in the shop deserve a pat on the back. In my heart, I appreciate everything they do.